Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me intro myself. My name is Nanda Aulia Gusman.
And I'm Asifatul Nabila. We will be discussing about suggesting. Enjoy for watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi Sipa,
Hi Nanda.
what are you doing?
I'm setting up solar panel.
Let me help you.
Sure, thanks.
No big deal. Anyway, did you make yourself?
Yes, I did.
Thanks, good.
But I'm still in the learning process. It can only supply low electricity.
Why do you make more solar panel is supply electricity at your house?
That's what I'm going to do. Good and much better thing.
You suggest you tell your present or the local government about if believing they will support you.
Good idea.